Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy simple cabbage and spinach recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. This is a quick and easy recipe, so let's get right into it. I'm going to start off with some cabbage. I've got about half of a cabbage here. I'm only going to use a quarter of that for this recipe, so I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my cabbage. So I start off by basically trying to remove the center stalk. You can do it like me, try to pull it out, or you can cut it out. But the essence of this method is you need to roll your cabbage into round balls, and you can do this with multiple layers. For the purpose of this video, I only did one layer and basically you're going to be chopping this at the same thickness, so all of your cabbage must sort of try and be shredded to the same thickness. So this is what it's looking like when it is done. Now I'm going to be moving on to the next item, and that's going to be my spinach. I've already cut off the stalks and then I've rinsed it in some water, and similar to the cabbage, we're going to be rolling it up into rolls, and then we're going to be slicing it. And the technique here is that you need to slice it also at the same width as what you did with your cabbage. And one of the tips that I can give you guys to achieve this better is make sure that the knife that you're using is sharp enough to allow you to achieve what we're trying to do here. So we're going to do that with all of the spinach. So this is just one bunch of spinach, and this is what the spinach is looking like. I already showed you guys what the cabbage is looking like, and then the last vegetable will then be some grated carrots. I just grated one carrot, but you can also grate more if you want more carrots in your dish. I just didn't want the carrot to overpower the spinach and cabbage. So next to my pot, which is already heated, I'm just going to be adding some oil. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and add the spinach. So this is a quick cooking recipe. You're going to be sauteing your spinach and your cabbage as well as your carrots really quickly. It all needs to be cooked well under 3 minutes. So once you put your spinach in, you need to saute it, keep it moving, you don't want it to wilt too much, and then you're going to move over and then add your carrots, and then you're going to give that a mix again, and then you're going to continue sauteing. Like I said, you need to make sure that you are continuously moving your spinach and your carrots. Then we're going to be adding our cabbage next, and I prefer to do it in this order just because cabbage cooks a little bit quicker in my opinion than the spinach would. So I added the cabbage last, but the order doesn't really matter. You can do it in whichever order. Then I'm just going to give that a mix, also saute that, make sure that my spinach is also moving. I don't want it to be having too much contact with the pan. Then I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning, so I'm adding garlic flakes, and then I'm also going to be adding some curry powder, and lastly I'm going to add some salt seasoning. The amount of salt you can definitely judge for yourself depending on how you want it. And then this is the final step. I'm just going to be sauteing that again for a few seconds, and then I'm going to be removing it off the heat. So the idea here is you don't want to overcook your cabbage and overcook your spinach and overcook your carrots. Okay, you want to try and cook everything well within a 3-minute mark. After I recorded this video, I did realize that my spinach was in the pot for a little bit too long. This is just based on the fact that I'm also trying to juggle the recording. But that is it for this recipe. It's quick and easy. It's a simple recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section, like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.